There's intro. What if I told you that you can achieve weight loss without compromising on your nutrition? Yes, you heard it right. Today, I'm here to share with you 10 must-know nutrition hacks for effective weight loss that will change the for you. Let's dive right in. Here's main content. 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Not only it helps in flushing out toxins from your body, but it keeps you full and prevents overeating. 2. Fill your plate with veggies. Vegetables are low in calories but high in nutrients. They will keep you satisfied and provide essential vitamins and minerals for your body. 3. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps in controlling your appetite. 4. Don't skip breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and prevents you from reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day. 5. Opt for lean protein sources. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, and it also keeps you full for longer periods, reducing the chances of snacking on unhealthy foods. 6. Watch your portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. Be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid overeating. 7. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. These are empty calories that provide no nutritional value but contribute to weight gain. Stick to whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. 8. Meal prep is key. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid resorting to fast food or unhealthy snacks when you're hungry. 9. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your food, chew slowly, and savor each bite. This will help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Weight loss is a journey that takes time and effort. Be consistent with your healthy eating habits and stay patient with yourself. Outro. There you have it, 10 nutrition hacks that will make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but making smart choices for a healthier lifestyle. Try incorporating these hacks into your daily routine and watch the pounds melt away. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which hack you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends.